Hi, so let's talk about Unity events. Unity events are some magic C sharp thingies that can be accessed through the editor. I have a game object here, which is a timer, and this is our, on timer finished event. Unity event specifically. You could also do it with C sharp, but this is like great for designers and non coders. So you can have them like have just adds the timer script. Like they make a new game object, right? And they can add a timer or any other script for that reason that has a Unity event, and they know you're gonna name it right? Of course you do. So you're gonna name it something that makes sense, and they are going to use the timer like 2 seconds, and they know when this is finished all the stuff that they're gonna like put here is gonna get called. For instance, you can do like on timer finished with the environment of the scene, which is this thingy, and we can disable it, right? And in the same game object or not, let's add another one so it's cleaner maybe. We add another timer object. But the thing is, this one is disabled, and what it does, it reactivates the environment. So already with just a timer, which is a very simple piece of code. It's just a few lines of code. It's a coroutine, just waits for some seconds, and then it invokes this. This question mark means that it checks, so the timer is not null. It has stuff to invoke. If it doesn't, it will just not invoke everything. That's what the question mark does, just checks for nullness. Okay, so we're back in our first game object, and in 2 seconds after being activated, it's going to disable our environment, which is basically this tile map. And after we could also add that we disable, we actually need to do it in order, so it's order sensitive. First, we're going to, you can go and activate like a lot of stuff. You can activate functions from your scripts, so other mono behaviors. Timer is a mono behavior, so just make another mono behavior, make a public method, and then it can be invoked from here, like you see all this stuff here. But what I want to do is to enable it, right? So this is going to get enabled from disabled, and then after 1 second it's going to reactivate our environment. Okay, and yeah, let's do that, see how it goes. So this one gets activated. Okay, let's see. So game starts, environment gets disabled, then gets re-enabled after 1 second. So that's cool, but what's even cooler is that you can do like feedback loops in a way. Like you can have something activate something that disables itself and so on. It's like a domino effect. So let's do that right here. So after this one gets activated, after 1 second, it can disable itself like this. This one, yeah, after enabling that one, it can disable itself. If you saw, the timer class has like on disable and on enable, so it's going to reset itself when you disable it, like we're doing right now. So for this one here, we can disable it after we activate the event, and this one is going to reactivate the old one, if that makes sense, and maybe also deactivate itself. It's important, the order is important. Oh, yeah, okay. So this one, not the same one. And activate. And this one gets disabled. So this is itself, this is the other one. And now we should have like some interesting behavior. It gets disabled, gets enabled. gets disabled again, gets enabled again, and so on. It's an infinite loop between events. So yeah, using events is very powerful. And you saw, like, I don't need to know anything. This stuff just works, and it's great. Use it.